Bryce,
Nicey!
are you ready to get your hair cut?
Yes! 7, 8.
Good job!
Bryce.
I worked out my numbers.
After your haircut, you get these.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have gone a long time.
Too long.
Hair is just crazy. I have never had my hair this long in my life. Because of my job and because of no job, I've been able to grow out my beard. This is gonna be interesting. I am not a barber. I do have stuff, and I seldomly just buzz off my hair, but we're gonna see how it goes. After you get your hair cut. The bangs are really, really long. The sides are really long. So we're really just gonna focus on the bangs because we like the long hair. I'd love for him to be able to do like a little rainbow.
What's a rainbow?
Rambo.
Oh.
So you ready, Bryce?
Yeah.
You ready? Mommy, you ready?
Yeah, standing by with iPad.
What's the iPad for?
Distraction. You ever tried to cut a 2.5-year-old's hair?
Mommy.
Yeah, he's gonna be good. Bryce, you're gonna be good, right? You're gonna let Daddy cut your hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Like a big boy.
Mommy, I want his hair.
Thank you, Bryce.
Stand right here.
No. No.
Ready?
We need to
Ready.
Are you cutting it straight down?
Huh?
Are you cutting it straight down?
No, I'm cutting it just straight across so it's not in his eyes. Like this. Ready?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Bryce.
I
Okay.
got on my shirt.
Yeah, you got hair on your shirt. Your hair's soft. You're the one that said
Oh, can I please help?
no. Hold
Oh my
on.
goodness.
All right. Let's see. That boy looked like Dennis the Menace.
This is how.
You told me to cut his bangs.
I did not say cut it straight across. You want to go out?
Here's a little hot. Oh man.
Oh, man.
I mean, it's gonna grow again. My thumb is stuck in here.
It is. It's going purple.
Bye, Jordan.
Can we wet it a little so you can see what it does?
No, it's good like this. Look, it's fine. He's fine.
Can I do some, please? Because all this is too long.
See, I don't think we had to do too
Your
much
letters
other
and
than
numbers.
his ears. I'm just gonna cut his ears right here, and then he's done.
Babe, look at this in the back here.
No, I want that to grow. Good job, Bryce.
That feels better.
It tickles?
That feels better?
Yeah.
All right,
Wow.
yeah. All right, one more. You okay?
Daddy's doing a good job with Bryce's hair.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. All right, let me do this
With
side.
this?
Leave that man's tail alone. All this is staying. All we're doing is getting it off of his ears and his eyes.
But remember he used to have a part?
Yeah, he'll have a part. You trying to jump up 3 steps.
So are you using any of these on him?
Look at that. I should do this.
Are you doing any of these on him?
You think there's openings? No, those are for me. Look good, buddy.
Yeah.
Look, I got this.
The comb?
Yeah. Bryce, it looks good, man.
Oh, yeah.
Look, no more hair in your eyes. You're so cute.
This
feels
is that
better.
What do you think, baby?
Let me try.
What do you
I
think?
think he's good. I mean, I probably went a little bit too much on the bangs, but
I
that's
like
gonna grow.
it, yeah.
Hey!
You're-
Don't be a 3-year-old, 2.5-year-old.
Let mommy and daddy look at it, okay? Jordan, you like it?
And I like it.
You like it, Bryce?
Yeah.
We're done, right? Let's see the back.
Turn
The
around.
back looks good, man. Yeah. I mean, you got a little mullet going on, but it looks good. Dan, what about your hair? You need a trim? You need a little trim? Wanna play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Oh. Oh, you already ate them? Mommy will get you some more.
Yeah, a little later I'll get you some more, okay? After daddy's done with his hair, I'll get you some more.
Bryce, I really like your hair. So daddy's gonna do his hair now. You wanna help me?
Have fun.
Look at this.
Do you need my help?
Why is this stop?
How did you let this get to this point?
Why is this?
I have come to the decision to finally cut my hair. It has been 7 weeks. I've always had jobs that I needed to shave for, like every day. So this is the first time in my life I've ever been able to grow out my hair. It was fun while it lasted, but I am done. I usually have short hair. I've had short hair for a long time. So I'm gonna keep the top and I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna shave and see what the final product is. I've got my razor and my shaving cream. I've got my guards, trusty tools. Looks like I know what I'm doing, but I really have no clue. Here we go. Well, I started to shave with the razor and it was too thick.
You're looking for daddy?
Brycey, come here. Come here. I want to know what you think of my new haircut.
I like your haircut. And why do you have water on your face?
Bryce, look at my face. You like my face like this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
You my biggest.
Wait.
Nothing looks weird?
Nothing looks weird.
Nothing looks different.
No.
I'm gonna leave it just like this.
Okay. How will you?
I can meet all your girlfriends like this?
Yeah.
What girlfriends?
There we go, Brian. What you think of this before? One of my buddies, Manolo. I'm channeling his top hair. He doesn't know that I really like his hair. I've never told him face to face. Might be awkward. I have no idea what guard to use, nothing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I hope my barber don't see this. Yes, baby. I think so, almost. What's it look like? You gotta help me. Come here.
Help? You?
How?
I need a little help.
I need a little help.
Okay. And the big help.
Hmm?
The big help.
Yeah. I don't know, Mommy. I'm just winging it.
From what?
You're running away? Where are you gonna go? The Grammys? He don't know how to get the Grammys. I think I'm good here. I just need to do my ears. I'm using a little guy. fix it?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I want, right? Remember, almost like you scaring something.
I've done this before.
Let me do it like this, on your chest. I'm not gonna do it. Give me your arm.
No.
Just, I'm not turning
Babe, I know what you mean.
I'm not turning it on. This isn't a razor. Let me see, like this. But in a straight line.
Yes.
Hold on. Whoa, I wasn't even ready. All right, don't dig a hole in my neck. Babe, all you have to do is lay it on there and put it down.
Okay, okay.
Wait till that's red. That's gonna be red. Right there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
check
That
it.
doesn't sound like...
I'll check your work in a minute. Bryce, what were you singing?
I was singing the theme song.
You look like the toad.
Psycho-doodle.
Oh, you trying to steal the show, man.
Psycho-doodle.
You trying to steal the show?
Psycho-doodle. Psycho-doodle. This week, very good.
It went very good. Thank you for watching. Brycey, where do you want people to subscribe? Point at the screen. Right there. All right. Bye, guys.
Dan, give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, Dan Dan.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.